Okay, those are the results. Here we go. The A button, as you can see, will keep the light going, and it will stop when I press the button again. And B button, C button will give me 5 to 6 seconds. And D button will give me about 25 seconds. There you go. Ideal for flappers or your magnets. You can do better. But this one you can keep it going all day long, or cancel, and your flapper, just flap the wings, it'll attract them. But if you want 5 seconds while you pick up your gun, you leave it there. There you go. 5 seconds is enough just to bring them close, and that should do the job.